channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful Egyptian goddess Cleopatra makeup look. I kind of wanted to do my own spin on it and have a little bit of a more Egyptian goddess type of thing with the light up wings and all that. I actually got these on Amazon. If you're curious about these, they have a whole bunch of different colors, but these are the light up gold ones. Before I do get into the video, please do hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe so you can get notified when I post new videos. Please do thumbs up the video if this helps you out at all or if you just found it entertaining, and please do check out my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box, or you can just type in the little handle on the screen here if you want to find me on Instagram. I think there are a few parts that I lost footage. I didn't know I wasn't recording, so sorry. I think it was when I drew some of the eyeliner on, I didn't get footage of that all the way. Let's get right into this Halloween makeup video. watching this video. If you did enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to get notified when I post new videos. Do check me out on Instagram. I have a whole ton of cosplay and Halloween photos on there if you want to see more. I'll have it linked in the description box down below or up here on the screen if you want to type it in and check me out on there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!